Well, top 3, it's time to see which one of you is joining. Did that always say 2 contestants?
Well, you are 2, so you tell me.
That is the kind of thing I would come up with.
Yay! 2 of us joined, so which one of us won't be joining the game, huh?
Get out!
One behind you!
Cancel! Why? With 20,336 votes and an impressive 25,250 votes, you both joined the power of 2! Now, which team to put you on? How about you guys just pick the team that sounds the best?
Tpot, they don't deserve me. I will join this one with the notes.
See, they join when there is already a...
Well, Tpot yet again and da-da-da-da-da have 7 members, so you can join Team 2 or Cloudier.
You're 2, right?
Exactly right.
Cloudier.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Say hi to your newest teammate, Light. Hello.
Hey Pen, long time no see.
Look, Ice Cube, you're still here. Our Ruby or...
Say hello to Cloudier.